Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix that problem you have on your Facebook on settings. You just click here on settings, then you come here to settings window here like you say, and you just go down. Then you click here on apps, then you come to apps window here like you say, and you just go down here to looking for Facebook app here in this is window, and you click here on Facebook. Then you come to app info window here like you say, and you just click here on for stop. Then you click here on OK. Then you click here on storage. Then you come to storage window here like you say, and you click here on clear cache. Then you click here on clear data, and you just go to Play Store and update your Facebook app, and it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do, and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish now I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.